Hello students, in today's session our aim is to perform oxyacetylene gas welding. As the name suggests, there are mainly two different types of gases are used. First one that is oxygen gas and second one that is acetylene gas. So with the help of gas mixture or gas flame, we will create a welding. So basically what is welding process? So we all know that it is one kind of fabrication process that joins the material by using high heat to melt the parts together and create the welding. So this is what the basic function or basic definition of welding. So there are mainly in gas welding there are mainly two different types of welding are there. First one that is oxyacetylene gas welding and second one that is oxyhydrogen gas welding. So in today's session our focus is on oxyacetylene gas welding. So let's start the practical that related to oxyacetylene gas welding.
Hello students, this is the setup of gas welding. As this process or this gas welding is also known as oxyacetylene gas welding, because in this particular welding there are mainly two types of gases are used. First one that is oxygen and second one that is acetylene. As you can see, there are two different cylinder are there, in which first cylinder which is having oxygen and second cylinder which is having acetylene. And you can also find out there are two different dial on which first dial which indicate the inside cylinder pressure and second dial which indicate the outside pressure, or you can say that flame pressure, right? And as you can see in video, this is our welding torch, and with the help of lighter we will generate a spark, or we can say we will generate a flame, over which there are mainly three different types of flame. First one that is a neutral flame, second one that is a carburizing flame, and third one that is oxidizing flame, right? So with the help of a spark, or you can say with the help of a lighter, we will generate this spark and we will generate the welding. So this is what the working, or you can say construction and working of gas welding process. So as you can see that this is the working of gas welding. As we can see that there will be the mixture of two gas. First one that is oxygen gas and second one that is acetylene gas. As you can see in video, here on table we can see that the galvanized iron material, the welded material, and on the another hand we can see the filler rod. So basically what is the function of filler rod, or what is the characteristic of filler rod? So the material of that filler rod is equal to ms, and it is having 1.6 mm diameter. The range of that particular filler rod specification are vary from 1.5 to 2 mm, right? So basically what is the characteristic or what is the function of filler rod, or why we use that particular filler rod? Because we cannot directly apply that flame on that particular part, because what exactly happened when we apply that spark on filler rod, so that the filler rod will melt and it create heat over there. So with the help of heat we will generate the welding, as we can see in video. So basically filler rod, the function of filler rod, which is having 1.5 or 1.6 mm diameter, and it create heat over there and we can weld, right? We can easily weld. So basically there are three different types of flame. First one that is neutral flame, second one that is oxidizing flame, and third one that is carburizing flame, right? So what it actually mean, what is neutral flame? So basically the same mixture of oxygen and acetylene, this is called a neutral flame. Second one that is oxidizing. So the flame produced with an excessive amount of oxygen The flame produced with an excessive amount of oxygen, this is called oxidizing flame. And third one, that is carburizing. So what is carburizing flame? A reducing oxygen fuel, or we can see that a reducing oxy-fuel gas flame in which there is an excessive amount of acetylene gas. So basically there are three different types of flame are generated. First one, that is neutral, second one, that is carburizing, and third one, that is oxidizing. So this is what the function of filler material, and in this way we can weld the we can generate the weld over there. So this is what the basic concept of welding process.